Generate an AI summary of a section of text or a whole page using the Summarise feature on Kortext Study Plus. First, open the Kortext e-reader and navigate to your chosen page. Highlight a passage of text with your cursor to open a drop-down menu. From there, select Study Tools, then click Summarise selected. Once generated, you will be able to use the rich text editor to edit your summary as required. Color code notes, add external links, save to a workbook, and export to OneNote, by email or to your peers using the Kortext Groups feature. Remember to click Save when you're done editing. To revisit saved summaries, click the Notes menu on the left-hand toolbar. You can view, edit, delete and export auto-generated notes. Welcome to Kortext Study Plus, the future of learning, powered by AI.